So FHA is or is not the only form of me getting a house?
FHA is not the only option.
What are my options?
So there's products out there that also allow you to have a lower down payment. So if you go to the wrong lender that doesn't have any other product, you can't be upset if they put you in FHA because they're going to ask you a couple questions. Are you looking to put down the minimum? What's your credit like?
Yeah.
Do you need seller's assist? So if you're going to go to a lender that doesn't have any other product, if they're going to fit you into that box, then you can't be upset if they put you into an FHA product.
Is that most lenders or is that a few of them? Is that most of them?
I would say that's most. So anytime that somebody comes to me and they've been pre-approved and they're asking me the same thing, I want minimum down payment, I have a lower credit score, I need a high seller's assist. You were pre-approved FHA, correct? Correct. So what I do is I'm a CRA lender as well. So what that means is we have a special product that we designed as a bank. So you can't go to just any lender to get it. It's our portfolio product. So just to give you a couple of the key points, with an FHA product, you're always going to have mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance, keep in mind, does not protect you. People see here the word insurance, like, oh, I want that, it protects me.
Yeah, it protects the other guy, doesn't
It
it?
protects the bank.
Yeah.
Bank in case you default.
That's more money.
It's more money, which you're paying each month out of pocket. So how do you lower your monthly payment? Eliminate the mortgage insurance. How do you eliminate the mortgage insurance? Find the mortgage product that doesn't require it.
And you have it.
And we have it.
All right.
Now, people are trying to think, well, it's probably harder to qualify, right? So you go to any bank, what's your credit score requirement? Well, we require a 620. What does the average lender require as well? Most likely a 620. Is the rate high, right? So you're probably building it into the rate.
There's got to be some reasoning behind it, right? Usually.
Right, yeah. So,
Like, how do you protect your risk? Because that's what it is.
correct. So our bank decides that we have a rate right now which is comparable to FHA. So you're not losing by having a much higher interest rate than FHA. So overall, you're going to be saving on your monthly payment, and it's easier to qualify for. Now you probably want, how can it be easier to qualify for? Well, when you do an FHA mortgage, your realtor will see that, all right, well, that means when you're walking through the property, FHA requires a lot more inspections. They're going to be paying attention to cracks in the ceiling. They're going to be paying attention to scraping paint. They're going to be paying attention to cracks in the concrete, missing handrails. That means your realtor is now showing a property, and when you make your offer, that listing agent is now looking at it. Well, I know it's an FHA loan, and now we got to be prepared to do these repairs.
Yeah, and with 10 buyers for every seller in the marketplace right now, that increases the likelihood you miss your home.
Correct. So how do you stand out from the crowd? You can do a 3% down payment with no mortgage insurance and on a conventional loan with a conventional appraisal. Now, how would that sound if you're making your offer with 9 other people and your now stands out? Because now they're not worried about the FHA requirement.
Yeah, it's like less of a cognitive bias or like, oh, yeah, FHA.
FHA has that stigma. I mean, it's the way it is.
So, but the mortgage, the insurance is gone. However, you're going to maybe pay a little bit more interest over time.
No, interest rate is approximately the same.
So there's no loss.
No loss. Now, when you qualify for a product like this, you have to have an advantage, right? The bank wants to help people purchase their first home, so there might be income restrictions, which is limited to what area you want to buy in. Most areas that first-time home buyers are purchasing in actually have no income restriction. And that's what makes it easier for people to purchase.